Growing cucumbers is a process that begins with choosing the right variety. There are numerous types of cucumbers available, each with its own unique characteristics. Some popular choices include Marketmore 76E, Straight 8, and Bush Champion. These varieties are known for their resistance to diseases, prolific production, and excellent taste. Once you've selected the cucumber variety that suits your preferences, the next step is to prepare the soil. A well-drained, fertile soil rich in organic matter provides the ideal environment for cucumber growth. Incorporate compost or well-rotted manure to increase the soil's fertility. When the soil is ready, it's time to plant the seeds. You'll want to sow them about 1 inch deep, in rows that are spaced about 3 feet apart. Each seed should be placed about 18 inches from its neighbor. This allows plenty of room for the cucumber plants to grow and spread. As the seeds start to germinate and sprout, they require consistent watering. Cucumber plants love water, and it's crucial to keep the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged. A good rule of thumb is to water deeply once or twice a week, depending on the weather conditions. Cucumber plants also need a good amount of sunlight. They prefer at least 6 hours of direct sunlight each day, so make sure to choose a location in your garden that gets plenty of sun. Now comes the waiting game. After several weeks, you'll start to see small yellow flowers appearing on the cucumber plants. These flowers will eventually turn into cucumbers. However, be patient as this process can take a while. Finally, when the cucumbers have reached the desired size, it's time to harvest. You can do this by gently twisting the cucumber until it snaps off from the plant. Remember, the more you harvest, the more cucumbers the plant will produce. In summary, growing cucumbers involves selecting the right variety, preparing the soil, planting the seeds, providing consistent watering and ample sunlight, and waiting for the cucumbers to grow. With a bit of patience and care, you can enjoy fresh, homegrown cucumbers right from your own garden. So, why not give it a try? You might discover a new hobby and develop a deeper appreciation for the wonderful world of gardening. And at the end of the day, there's nothing quite like the taste of a fresh cucumber that you've grown yourself. Happy gardening!